there are 3 or 4 IPO related points that have come, questions that have come for you. I'll quickly crunch them into one. I think it's linked to Hyundai. So you're being asked that what should retail investors do considering the current IPO frenzy and some more IPOs that are currently lined up. So you, broadly, how should retail investors approach forthcoming public issues?
So for retail investors participating in the IPO, they should go ahead and participate. A, you won't get a lot of quantity. It's more like a lottery, so you're participating in the lottery. But please, you don't have to buy on day one of listing. I mean, you saw these IPOs which go up, 50, 60, 40. First of all, so it's a chicken and egg. Because if people say that, okay, we'll buy in the IPO, but we won't buy on listing, if the listing 30, 40% higher, then mostly the IPO itself will not be successful in theory. But we don't have to analyze what in aggregate it means. But the bottom line is these IPOs are not coming at all cheap. The IPO is getting massively oversubscribed. You are participating in a lottery, you're putting up money, you're not going to get a big deal. Even if you get a little bit, either it goes up and you make a few thousand or you lose. It's not changing your life, but it's good small pocket money. But please don't buy on day one of listing. That is my general advice. It makes absolutely no sense. If you saw this recent IPO of the housing finance company, it would be down 20%. You see that electric two-wheeler down some 20%, maybe not on day one, but after 4-5 days in that case. This day one of, just because the issue was oversubscribed 50 times, please understand, nobody wanted 50 times higher number of shares. Everybody gave an order of 100 because they knew you will give them only 2.
Absolutely.
And if you gave an order of 100 and you gave him 3, 11 heart attack. So it does not show that there is, 50 times higher demand. There is no 50 times higher demand. The demand is that only, but everybody is inflating so that you get that total whatever they can get. And therefore, on day one of listing, nobody should touch. I think then you don't lose much. You're okay in life.